First time ngi ka jing sna ka pasan nak tingkah.
Guess I've never done vlogging in my life.
A few moments later.
Oh wait, I saw something really different and really special, which I see generally in Paris. 1, 2, 3.
It looks really just like me, no?
What name they gave me in village?
What?
Kongparen.
Ibaba viral. Kalau ibi baru haj biji ni video nak buat support ngadan hang ni bi kong iban di malik jangan ni bat ngini lek meda sngi sha kawi kayo ka ba he ba bi cenat ba pakata kede kayo hang ti hapo pulu kamni kayo pulu andre di kayo expo hapolo ngin pini pi don ayu hang to ngini dan hang ti bro sngi ngas pini pi don yu knang pi pla bani wan nomor ba ya benta kani kayo ka don tang kumbalai sngi menta de ganyo trek si balang sngi pale basi thua ding kanon ni kayo mar kani di kayo jong ki nongsengkam sing jam ki babun nang ni dapat jela jongi ki ba pi pila bani hang ni ki de ya ki de ki ba snahi de ki briu ki jongi nang ni dapat jela bagi bawan bandi kati ke jaka sepeni pi kita iwe de ni be mo sa phai lam ikong iban bain sa pen batai phai tai ki bro khai yang am kong iban siapa ni video do mendekut perlok. Oh, this is the lakes man. Khang phalo jingking be lekim sha shu na bani ai. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, kani kade ka kilon ni tho dunas tak sentiu. Run Prime Meghalayayoutuber Expo perteng. Wa cakayang shua. So kani hanai kade ka Dhaka Expo Prime Meghalayayoutuber Expo arjar sau Meghalayayoutuber. Tai di food court bat ki dukan e berhoi ki dan hang thiu po. Katai ka de hang tai katai hapo ka den ki dukan ki bahit ki dukan tiar dukan tar di kayong te. Lagi jaka bam ki long hang ni kum ne pe long kum mai tho di thon chne thik long kum mai tho shuang no ba ka de ka jing khoi tho ba kut si si ka jing ai bam ba kut bu khlam khot di pi per bi tho di ka ni la se lam de ka jing tho ba shupo ka di ka yo ka ba he ma la pani bi pi shupo ka long ka den yu mo long no ti mari rung kan long mi oh ledar, this is ledar na hey bro ini di kiba long custom made sudah kiba phila ban custom made ru piwan ni yo beler kias kani ip kong iban kani kalau kum tiki jaket matrix lah ha oh Chris yes jaket Chris jangan ba ever sini di kijan nastisha temri boy kijan ini yang ni ki ashar
Digi dry fruits.
Test kami ban pe belum no.
Nga mampa yan.
Ang test nga.
Jadi you snap jong pamelo teh.
Snap.
Snap.
Jong oi.
Pamelo.
Oi ta.
Balong kung sa nyam try itu mo. Dia ini it's good for mouth freshener.
Snap so jauh. Uni useng.
Hindi kan. Ya, the taste kay long.
Kamu kan ni bos lain dah ni bro kan. Longan ngan ketak.
Tak cai no, nak kain terlak kot baik.
Oh detail hati be. Kador kan ni kanu.
Kini lah poisan lah.
5 lakhs. Oh. Simpor kanu oi ban senam ni.
Lai benai so benai.
First time ngi ka jing sna ka pasan nak tingkah hang ni ngatrai ladi ka barem tam try ni po yo. Oh sirla palang. Nah ni punya.
Silak prapu.
Silak prapu kan dia?
Kini silak santo.
Karu komsna pati kadi kepala janai bah kala lut por, kala lut bor, kala lut ka idea na dong sudong tahang ni. Kadi dukan kadang laj kong iban song no pi ni. Egg incubator. Ooh, nice.
After months of separation, as a content creator, as a friend, fully supporting him.
As a balance star.
Balance star. No, not that much. He's here today at Prime entrepreneurs meet, not as an entrepreneur alone, but as a content creator, a YouTuber, as an influencer, as a to-be politician, as an already journalist, and most importantly, a student who can play all the roles.
Oh my goodness. Paramita will take us around, take the camera and show things. So meet our guests for today.
I'm the guest. I've never done vlogging in my life.
Ano kayo? Ganda. Baba ini he's the viral guy. Check out his podcast. He's our next guest.
Oh yes, I saw your picture.
Yeah, she's part of our team of Hashlong podcast. Yes.
What's your name?
Aparmita.
Okay, shout out.
We haven't met.
Baba baba viral. Pila itu ini di Iwan hang ni berpen viral biang sisian. Nang ta ki terthan ki babun hang ni.
I see Paran.
Oh, di permintaan lagi pareng lah syok.
You have to check out his stall.
Tu situ. Living Wood Bridge. Dah kedim. Oh, nice. Ini lagi jalan.
This is not for sitting. I think it's just
No,
display.
for.
Oh, this is tiny monolith.
What is this? This is to kill flies.
Are you gonna?
Oh, dungdo. Boleh no? Oh, dungdo. Oh. Then even the keys, see.
It's very complicated to
See?
open.
Even the chola, see. So, yes, wala.
Okay, there goes CM. He's leaving.
Thank you.
Si Vladim cendur lang si MV.
Oh yes.
Kani kerja.
Yeah,
Kerja.
in your job.
Ini di kong Cassandra. Tapi si kamera. Oh hi.
Hi. Hello.
You can see her hair color.
Oh my god.
It's matching with her.
Oh, matching with my top too. Huh?
Di saya komen bethias mai kong Cass.
Oh, please.
Cast.
Nata kui komen namata jong umak di unong sundur trim ha. Ta nang ta.
Wajib buat kata vlog.
Mengkatang labu kong California hang ni.
Hi, Benidorm.
Ni di betrim ha ki kam tho kam tar bat ibabun ki ai. Tila fi don komen bethias ba. Di waju save ni nuru si di California ha comment section mo.
Thank you.
Ni bayai ru di way ni kinong na video
Ini
beler
di
ha.
passport ini.
Ai ko comment namta bayai ru. Ini bam jano.
Oh, I think oh wait, I saw something really different and really special, which I see generally in Paris. Something that is quite popular in Paris. It is also popular in.
Drawing us.
Okay. 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 So now we have Ferdy, the next model.
Okay. Kani scene ko ning kong man sadro. Should I smile or should I?
This is the art. Okay, so Ferdy is getting ready.
My wife will be so happy.
This is a pre-Valentine's Day gift for his wife.
Yeah, I'll give this to my wife.
Yeah, because
my own drawing.
Because I am the gift that he follows that kind of policy. I cannot recognize who this person is, but this is our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
This is a nice experience, yeah?
Yeah.
You should try to.
So what are your expectations?
I expect to be nice, be good, and I expect that my wife will like it for the Valentine's Day.
So are you all ready to see the reaction of the model and the art? 1, 2, 3.
It looks really just like me, no? Nice. Wow. Hey, kani tengah haban auction no? For $2 million.
So whoever wants to purchase, please write down in the comments section. It's not $2 million, 200 rupees. Please, the art is very good, but since it's codefreemen's, first I'll go have lunch.
No, we'll have lunch together.
Thank you so much. This is yes, Sanya. Yes, one. Appreciate it.
Jaga bisa.
Yang nganai ke? Boleh, bye. Civic mai bisa
He'll give in bulk.
Nice. Kani hani lebih kuat ban syadro kum ni ti sewan sini pek. Tapi kong iban hani dak syadro so napi kan tilong no. Kani hang ni ki bun bha ki la ni ki jing dro bat ki jing ta jing ping ki jing bam bang bathiang te ki don ki jan ki nap don kani ka ten ru ni lebih kuat ban sa ten ru kalong hi maka dan ni kani kadi da ban dim di ban sa ki stashu ki jing bam ki jan ki nap bat ba kham kong santa mi ber khoj kalong phila ban yo ya ka di kini di ki ba phila ban lap hang ni okay kani ki jing dro hang ni kadi bela draw di ni baba ibam la ban yo sngo keteng ni dei ba dasan ti dei napo lapalang tibat kani kadi ka jingdro jongi ti imla ban yo sngo tenrei kasap jongi pa bidan di kerpang ba te sak Lu, bakut ulayo jing dro. Ini yang ni di iba dasan, but kasap ke jungi ke bala kring ke bala job mensiam ya. Di kong iban bukum ju lalu sadro. Di empat don dukan ya ke baru bile ile hieng. Di rei idon ba ke jing krang ba. Lada nang ni sama lada kidon students ila ban ai tuition ila ban hikai nomor bayi kani baru kali bile ile tang hapo san ni 10 minit yang apa bidrong ni kalau piwan ni kanlong ka jingai mensi mi ila pi kwa ban one page ka sapo jungi ban phadro i pi le ni bayi ngasam ini ki lok ki jor kumju le ni silok si family ru ngatrai kala ban long ka stol ke jogi badi perlok jongi hang ni bat phiru phila ban sadro lang mo kini ki jingsna jong kini ki baba Gini baba hani ni babun bahan dulu ki interior ki babun kum gini jintia bat ki way ki jingsna ki design do begini ki way da kadian
Tahu ni duduk race we kita apa YouTube.
kelanya yeah join here bini kong mem na Russia. I'm joined here by Marina.
You want a joke? You
What?
know what name they gave me in village?
What?
Kong Paren.
Kong Pareng. Oh, nice. That's not bad, yeah. That's not bad.
Very interesting.
I would request all these people, viewers, please come here. This is a party, her wedding and my wedding. And
Separately.
yeah, separately. And this is for you guys. So we are preparing all the food and everything for you, as if.
Here's a lot of shops, and which the best that is local products. So you can find a good quality here. Different stuff. You can come here to buy things. You can just walk around. You can come to have even lunch. You know, it's a nice place to hang out.
And then I think the best part is getting our face portrait done
Yes.
there. So I think that's the most interesting part.
Definitely. You should come for this as well.
Yes. New trick madasing new prakhnai trick non ni populo. The sayawan kini enjoy. Well, we'll see you in another video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Yes. Hey, I should also disappear.